Hi, this is Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video in this series of $1 bill currency search. So what we're doing is looking for unusual serial numbers which contain the star note, binary, which is only two different numbers, either 1s and 3s or 0s and 1s or 8s and 9s or just whatever, but there's only two numbers, two different numbers. A ladder, which is consecutive numbers, 8 in a row, or a mixed ladder, which is just 8 numbers that are not the same. But anything that is unusual, maybe a birth date. Let's see, if that was July 31st, 1988, be 07/31/1988, which just happens to be my daughter's birthday. But any birth date like that might be your kind of collectible. Anything that's printed off-center, such as the front, if one border is wider than the other. It has to be extreme to be worth anything more than $1, but some people collect them anyway. I have 2 stacks of 50s, and we're going to go through some serial numbers first. I'm going to take about half of this stack, let's just say that much, and push these aside right here, put a weight on top of them. Now, I'm sitting outside today in the nice beautiful weather. Tomorrow's supposed to rain, so it might be a little bit wind coming up. Not a whole lot, but just enough to blow this money around. We're going to go through about 10 of these, 15 of these together, and then I'm going to put you on hyperspeed and go through the rest. 61388, nope. 5864, nope. 6315, nope. 46171500, nope. There we go, nope. This one's upside down. 7855, nope. 2513810, nope. 0292, nope. Now, if this was your initials, BB, you might want to keep those. And if this had the 4 zeros in the front, or the exact opposite, which I call mirrored numbers, so if it was 0092 2900, I would keep it, but this is really not worth anything. 793, nope. 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 Okay. Let's go ahead and look for unusual printings on these. This one. This one, nope. Don't see anything. Now, when people actually draw cartoons on currency, they're funny. I'll keep those too. Nothing on this one. And of course my battery's running low. Let me go grab my charger. Be right back. Nothing unusual about these. Now this one's, it's the one that's a little bit off print. But we're not going to save that one. Well, the back, that one's off too a little bit, but it's in pretty rough condition, so I'm not going to save that one. go through these real quick. Okay. Put those aside. Okay, let's go through this little stack. Now you'll notice this one, it's off-centered on the printing. It's how small the border is up here compared to down here. But the build is actually in pretty rough condition, so I'm not going to save that one. Okay, here's the last stack. I'm going to go through a bunch of these, and the last 10 or so we'll go to together. So I'll just go like that. Let me do another hyper speed as we go through this section right here, and I'm going to go ahead and look through the back of these at the same time. Okay, here we go. This is the last of the stack of 100s. We're going to go through these together, finish up the video here. 607-28138. Nope. 9486. Nope. 8846. Nope. 9302. Nope. Nope. 6898-8907. Nope. 8330-7577. Nope. 1549-8710. Nope. 07055-018. Nope. 487-90071. Nope. 055-750-26, no. 487-9256, no. 38993, okay, nope. So now let's look for our misprints. If you see anything that I've missed, go ahead and leave us a comment in the section below and say, ha, gotcha, you missed one. Anyway, misprints, I don't expect to see any in this stack, but we're going to look through them anyway. Some of these, have you noticed, are in much better condition than others. Now, even if they do have a good serial number and a misprint, which would be the border wider than the other ones, or just any kind of thing that looks unusual, the condition of the bill means an awful lot. So you might have a huge misprint and the bill has completely been wadded up, deformed, whatever. It might not be worth anything, but if it's crisp, it might be worth a few $100. It all depends on what somebody's going to give you for it. Just like any other collection, right? You can have a $500,000 baseball card, but if nobody's willing to buy it, it's not worth $3, right? As we go through the end of this, my name is Carl. I do appreciate you spending your time with us today, and I appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button below, which will be like saying thank you to me without any cost out of your pocket. Hit the bell. You'll be informed of future uploads, and I do appreciate you spending your time with us.